Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'll guide you on how to create a partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. This will allow you to create a new drive from your existing storage. If this video helps you, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Your one subscribe motivates me to create more helpful content for you. Let's get started. First of all, open Disk Management. And to open that, you have to press on your keyboard Windows key plus X. So I'm gonna press Windows key plus X here. Or you can also do that by normally right click on the Start menu. And here you have to select Disk Management. Maximize this. And this will open the Disk Management tool where you can manage your drives and partitions. Now, in the Disk Management window, locate the drive you want to partition. So here I'm choosing Planning Drive, G drive. And now you have to right click on it and select Shrink Volume. Now a dialog box will appear showing the total size of the disk and available shrink space. And here, enter the amount of space you want to allocate for the new partition in megabyte. For example, 10,000 megabyte equals to approximately 10 GB. So I'm gonna give here 20,000 megabyte. So it will be equal to 20 GB almost. And after then, click Shrink to create unallocated space. After shrinking, you will see unallocated space in the Disk Management window, and that will be highlighted in black. Now normally right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. And here you will see a window. And the name of it is New Simple Volume Wizard. So normally you have to click on the Next to proceed. And now specify the size of the new partition or leave it as the default. Click Next. This step, choose a drive leader for the new partition. For example, A's, I, J, K, or etc. So I'm gonna choose here X and clicking on Next. And here you have to select NTFS. I recommend this. And allocation unit size default. And in the volume label, you can give it a name. Normally, I'm giving it a name here, Mr. TECHFOX. And after then, check this box, perform a quick format. And then click on Next button again. Review the settings and finally click on Finish to create the new partition. And after then, we are gonna verify the new partition. So normally we are opening the File Explorer and clicking on this PC. And here you can see that a new drive has been created named Mr. TECHFOX and the drive is X. And that's all. If you want to create multiple partitions, repeat the steps for shrinking and allocating a space. Be cautious when shrinking the primary C drive to avoid system performance issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you more helpful guides. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.